Types of industries. Industry is defined as an economic activity, especially for some useful purpose or the creation of something of value. The term is also used to describe a group of businesses that produce a similar product or service. Secondary sector. Manufacturing and industry sector are known as secondary sector. The secondary sector involves all activities that transform raw materials into products or goods. On the basis of raw material, agro-based industries, the industries which depend on agriculture products as raw material, are called agro-based industries. Example, textile industries uses cotton as raw material. Mineral-based industries. The industries that obtain their raw material from minerals are called mineral-based industries. Example, the iron and steel products from iron ore. It is utilized as raw material for the manufacture other products like heavy machinery, building materials, and railway coaches. Marine-based industries are defined as the industries that use products from the sea and oceans as raw materials. Example, industries processing seafood or manufacturing fish oil. Forest-based industries are defined as the industries that utilize forest produce as their raw materials. Example, pulp and paper industries, pharmaceuticals, furniture and buildings. Small-scale industries are defined as the industries that manufacture products by hand, like cottage and household industry. These industries use lesser amount of capital and technology. For example, basket weaving, pottery and other handicrafts industries. Large-scale industries are defined as the industries that produce large volumes of products. The investment of capital is high and technology is superior. For example, production of automobiles and heavy machinery. On the basis of ownership, industries can be classified into the following: private sector, public sector or state-owned, joint sector and cooperative sector. Private sector industries are defined as the industries that are owned and worked by the individuals or a group of individuals. For example, Reliance, Tata, etc. Public sector industries are defined as the industries that are owned and operated by the government. For example, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Steel Authority of India Limited. Joint sector industries are defined as the industries that are owned and operated by the state and individuals or a group of individuals. For example, Maruti Udyog Limited. Cooperative sector industries. These industries are defined as the industries that are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw materials, workers or both. For example, Anand Milk Union Limited, Amul, and Sudha Dairy.